I am a super lazy cook. I don't like to cook at all. So what am I gonna do with my food photography? If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Samika. Today I'm in the mood for some food photography, but definitely not in the mood to cook. So what do? We have cornflakes. So we have hope. So let's photograph some cornflakes and continue with our food photography.
First we will start with something simple. I have placed some cornflakes on a plate and will click a close-up shot of the food pattern. Placing a spoon on this background filled with some more cornflakes, probably of a different color. Let's create some depth. I will take some cornflakes in a spoon and will place it a little above the background to give depth. Just place some cornflakes in a bowl and scattered a few on the table to fill my frame. I have made this composition. You can try many such compositions, guys. I have placed some cornflakes and milk and will keep my flash in one direction so I get beautiful long shadows. I have placed a black cloth as my background and will just drop some cornflakes into a bowl as I press the shutter release button. Next, I will pour some milk into a bowl and catch the action. In the same background, trying another composition. Lastly, we'll place a spoon in the cornflakes with milk.
So guys, that was fun photographing cornflakes. I didn't cook at all, so just to show you guys that even without cooking, you can do food photography. And if you like this video guys and found it insightful, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which food photography tutorials you want me to try next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous food photography tutorial where I don't cook at all and click some very good photos. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.